Whoa! Oh! It's a nice bass. Get him up here. Oh, he's gut hooked, I think. Son of a bitch. That's a nice fish. Oh, he's bleeding. I'm gonna get him unhooked, guys. Nice fish. That one, guys. He swam away perfectly. Hey, gut hooked it again. Problem is, oh, that's a nice one too. That's another nice fish. No, he ain't gut hooked. Good. Oh, he's just fighting good though. Look at this thing. Oh, that's a nice bass. That's a very nice bass. Just came out with a nice fish. Didn't even get my kayak today. 2 bass. Nice fish. Get him back in. Nice. My drag and this bluegill literally hit it like a freight train. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Holy shit. It's a big bluegill, fat bluegill. Big bluegills, I mean, he's more fat than he is. Look at that guy, he's fat. Our little freshwater tuna. There he goes. Sure. Nice keeper. Very nice keeper. Come on. He's coming at me, he's coming at me. What the hell? He just gave up. That was weird. And a weird fight for a bass. And he's a pretty decent one. He felt huge at first. And I didn't feel like really anything. It's a keeper. Nice 13 inches. We were fighting. Really weird. There we go. Your hook set weird. What is that? What is that? Is that a pike or a bass? Put my drag loose. I don't. Oh, this is probably. Oh yeah, it's a pike. I haven't caught a pike here in ages from our spot. Come on, I want to land you. Oh, there's that typical thrash. There we go. Oh my god, oh my god. Nice. Nice pike. Any pike's a nice pike in my book. A little chunky pike. It's common here, kinda. Common sized pike. Get him in. Look at this little guy. Get him back in. Whoa, nice fish. Look at him fucking flying out there. Pike. Yep, that's a pike. Oh, he's a nice bass. He might be a nice bass. Oh yeah, he gut hooked it. That's where he gut hooked it. He gut hooked it, they're freaking feel 10 times bigger. Or, oh, that's a nice bass though. Oh yeah, see, I don't know if you guys see that. See how he opened his mouth? Yep, see? That's a nice bass too. That's a very nice bass. Nice 17-inch. Ooh, how did that came out? Ooh, yeah, look at that thing. Hell yeah. That's a nice fight, almost 4-pounder. Look at that guy. That's a very nice bass. Very nice bass. Get him back in. What a nice bass. Alright, he wants to go back in. Small now feels very big. Like really big. What the hell? I mean, guys, this thing felt like a bluegill. Am I? Oh, it came off. Son of a bitch. Damn it. That was weird. Nice bass. Oh. There we go. Nice fish. Very nice fish. I don't know what I lost, guys. That was a weird, very weird fish. I couldn't tell you what that was. I almost hit like a blue bass. Sometimes hit like bluegill. So I'm thinking it was a nice bass. But I don't know. I tell you, it felt like, it didn't feel like anything. It felt like small. It felt small. Then all of a sudden, it felt big. So I couldn't tell you what that was. Hey, like afraid it might be a pike. It is a pike. It is a pike. No, it's a bass. Why do I might get my fish species mixed up now? He hit it like a pike. He fought like a pike. Wow, that never happens to me. Usually he's a hassle all the time. There you go. Nice bass. Get him back in. Nice fish. Really nice fish. Bass. I don't know what that was. It must have been a school bass. I missed 2. And I cast it back there. I got this guy. That was a perch. I really thought that was a perch. Look at that. That's nice bass. Nice bass. I must have missed a nice one then, of course. I always been having a hard time getting some big fish in. But yeah, I am. I'm still getting big fish. Here's a mutant, guys. Just want to show you. I'm gonna call them mutants. It's a pumpkin seed and green sunfish hybrid. That's a little interesting. They have big mouths. They're pretty cool looking too. They're pretty neat. Like a boat kinda. Oh. Finally, nice one too. Nice bass. He's like biting it. Oh. Nice fish. There you go. Nice fish, guys. Get back in. This is. Oh man. Whoa, 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 whoa. What a nice bass. Yo, wow, there's stumps in here. Like get you in him too. Oh yeah, we got him. Oh yes. That's a nice fish. Very nice fish. Look at that fish. Very nice fish. Very nice fish. Get back in. Boom. One right at the boat again. Somewhat. Just come out of me. Again, they like to come out. Oh! Oh, that was stupid. That counts. Go for it, I think. Whoa! Nice bass. Getting back in right after that. The other one I just caught. Yep, I'm snide. Damn it, I kind of. Here we go. Here we go. It's a nice one. Oh, yes. I made him jump. It's a nice bass. Nice keeper. Keeper, 15-incher at least. Maybe even 20-incher. Possibly 20, 23 inches. Nice fish. Very nice fish. Same spot. I got this guy. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. It's like same fish almost. A little bit bigger though. Oh yeah, look at him fighting. Who says largemouth don't fight? Oh, I almost. Look at that. Look at that. Right, same exact fish. Almost. Very nice fish. Getting back in. Let's go. Wheel sounds weird. Oh. Man, they love to jump. They jump more than smallmouth. Jump. Smallmouth do those high jumps. These guys like reach out almost. Wait for this guy. Nice bass. Get back in. Boom. Yeah, I felt that thing. There he is. I felt his ass. Freaking. Oh. Got me why a pike got me. I freaking felt. I mean, very tiny taps. Oof. That's nice. Keeper size bass. Nice one. Get him back in. Oh. They love to jump, don't they? They love to jump. They're jumpers. They are jumpers, alright. Alright, anyways, nice one. Get him back in quick. Checking the time. I had it on my fish finder. I forgot it. Checking on my phone. This guy friggin' way late. Friggin' whacked. Oh, there we go. He got his ass. Oh yeah. There we go. Another very big fish. Probably about 25 inches. 25-inch largemouth. Very nice fish. But I want to jump. Oh, you got me kidding. This has happened a couple of times already. Natural fish now, huh? Right after that stick, nowhere to lie. There we go, get him in. Oh, you guys hit me. There we go. Oh, bringing a good day. I'm telling you what, this lake, my home lake bass, this year is very, very good. Last year was like multi-species, and I loved it. But this year's bass, I mean, I like multi-species more, of course, but oh, it's a very good bass season this year. Coming at me again. Oh, man. Oh my god, I watched like a freaking U. Whatever this thing is, it's huge. Oh my god. Holy shit. Whoa. It's coming at me. Pike like to come at me. That's a big pike. pike. It's almost like this. That's a. That's a big. I'm gonna loose and dry. But see, again, like that one, I think he's hooked like right in the teeth. I'm only using 6-pound test too. Okay, just take my time. This is a big pike. Oh my god. Oh shit. This is a big one. Man, this thing is big. I don't know how he's not freaking out. There he goes. Oh my god, I don't. Nice pike here. Let's size this guy. This is a nice pike. Really nice pike. Really, really nice pike. Get him back in. Look at that. That's why I love fishing my home lake. Very nice fish. Very nice fish. Get him back in. He's fine. I think he will be. That is heavy. Oh my god. Oh, he's going back. Well, guys, that is it for today. Another great day at the home lake. Very good bass season this year, like I said. Very good multi-species wise. I only caught one big, actually my second biggest walleye here. Only one. Last year I caught a couple. Pike though, pike is still very good. So basically just a walleye. I'm not getting as much, but this year is very hot. It got hot for like these couple of days, and the water temp jumped way high. It was 56 and 70 in like next 3-4 days. So walleye like that cooler water. I said that could have screwed them up too. So yeah, overall a great day. My biggest pike probably this year again. A very nice pike. Probably one of my biggest pike, but great fight. Great fight of the pike. Great fight with all the bass. It's a great day on the home lake. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.